Antibacterial gels are often referred to as hand sanitizers, and they're often used in addition to hand washing, but they only work on clean hands. This is because they can kill bacteria, but don't work properly on dirty or greasy hands. They also don't kill the norovirus. These gels are usually alcohol-based, but alternatives also exist. They are used widely in the medical sector and they're effective, but they don't replace proper hand cleaning. It's not always practical to wash your hands. Perhaps you're not near a sink, or you just need to wash them frequently. With hand sanitizers, they come in different containers. This is a standard bottle. You might find they're in pump bottles or very smaller containers. To start with, just remove the cap and then place some onto one of your hands. Close the cap, rub it between your hands and then all around your hands to ensure the sanitizer's around your hands completely and onto your wrists. And then you're using the same action as when we wash our hands correctly. So we're running through and going through onto our thumbs. We're making sure that we cover all of our fingers. And we're going down on both hands. If you have a ring and you can't take that ring off, just pull the ring to one side and make sure the sanitizer's underneath and then push it past and go through that side. We can then rub our hands together this way, in between our fingers, right around the thumbs, and also around the wrists. If you've got any jewellery on that can come off, like watches, you can take those off first. Once you've got it on, you just keep rubbing. Eventually, as it's alcohol-based, the gel will evaporate and eventually your hands will then become dry. Now, once your hands are then clean, obviously be careful then what you touch, so make sure you don't then touch something that's dirty. And finally, when you're working with the hand gels, be careful then not to touch your eyes, because you can get this into your eyes. It can cause them to get inflamed and can get sore, and also can affect other problems, particularly if you're wearing things like contact lenses. Hand sanitizers can also be found on wall-mounted containers. With these, simply push down on the front of the box to release some gel into your hands and rub it as described earlier on. Another product available are the universal wipes. With these, just open the front of the package and pull out the wipe, and then wipe your hands in a similar fashion to get the gel. You can also wipe down surfaces with wipes. Once you're finished with the wipe, dispose of it according to your local workplace practices. If you decide to use hand sanitizers, understand their limitations and try to select one which moisturizes so as to minimize skin damage from use.